Happy September, Southern Georgian Bay. Let's take a look back at the dog days of summer together. We're going to analyze the August 2024 real estate action in Collingwood, the Blue Mountains, Meaford, Owen Sound, and Wasaga Beach. Hang on till the end where I share my insights for buyers and sellers in this current local market. Collingwood's market has come down slightly to 8.4 months of inventory, landing you in a buyer's market with lots of inventory to spare. Let's break down the jargon a bit. When we talk about months of inventory, we're referring to how many months it would take for all the homes currently on the market to sell, given the average volume. Less than 4 months, it's a seller's market. 4 to 6 months, we're in a balanced market. And anything over 6 months signals a buyer's market. Moving over to the Blue Mountains, we're seeing 16.3 months of inventory for the second month in a row, firmly placing it in a buyer's market territory. Now, more than a year of inventory looks like a lot, but it depends on the kind of property you're looking for. More than half of the inventory are homes between $1 and $12.5 million. So while it looks like the Blue Mountains is a buyer's market, it definitely depends on the buyer's budget. Meaford is also solidly in a buyer's market, but moving down from 8.2 last month to 7.1 months of inventory in August. Owen Sound is on the cusp of a balanced market, staying at 6 months of inventory. Wasaga Beach is in a buyer's market with 8.2 months of inventory in August. Now, let's talk dollars and cents. Average sale price. Collingwood saw 38 sales averaging $810,632, up 12.3% from last month and down just 0.4% year over year. In Blue Mountains, there were 17 sales averaging $1,082,700, representing a month-over-month decrease of 22.7% and a year-over-year decrease of 9.4%. In Meaford, we saw 13 homes sold in August with an average price of $734,692, up 8.4% month-over-month, but down 15.2% year-over-year. Next up is Owen Sound with 26 homes sold for an average of $468,188, representing a month-over-month decrease of 8.2% and a year-over-year decrease of just 2.2%. Finishing off with Wasaga Beach, which saw 41 homes sold at an average price of $640,582. That's a 5.2% increase from July and minus 5.7% from August 2023. As you can see from this breakdown, the Southern Georgian Bay area varies quite a bit from town to town. It's important to note that this data encompasses all types of houses, from condos to detached freeholds, from ramshackle fixer-uppers to beautifully updated show homes, and from downtown locations to more rural spots. So please take this with a grain of salt. Moving right along to sale to list price, a crucial stat revealing negotiation trends between the parties. Collingwood at 95%, Blue Mountains at 95%, Owen Sound at 96%, Meaford down to 93%, and Wasaga Beach at 95%. This means that in Southern Georgian Bay, buyers are negotiating between 4 and 7% off the last listed price. Now, let's not forget the waiting game, days on market. Collingwood's days on market fell to 53 days before firming up a deal. Blue Mountains saw 63 days in August on average, Meaford 64 days, Owen Sound 50 days, and Wasaga Beach, the average was 51 days on market. Zooming out a bit, if you're a home buyer or a homeowner looking at mortgage renewals, you might be wondering about mortgage rates. On Wednesday, September 4th, the Bank of Canada again lowered the overnight rate by 25 basis points, down to 4.5%. Mortgage rates are currently ranging between high 4% and high 6%, depending on whether you're going with fixed, variable, insured, insurable, uninsurable, and whether you're getting financing through a bank or an alternative lender. I always recommend connecting with a great mortgage broker before you start your house search to get a firm grasp of your numbers. Okay, now here's the exciting part, hidden opportunities. One of the most immediate effects of the rate cuts is the increase in buyer purchasing power. Lower mortgage rates means that you can afford more house for the same monthly payment. This is a great opportunity to consider higher value properties, and it's your green flag to those of you who are on the fence about a purchase. Lower rates means higher buyer confidence, and you'll see a bigger pool of buyers this fall, which can mean more competition and less time to leisurely decide. Buyers, now is the time to act decisively. You still have a lot of bargaining power in the current market. With lower rates existing, homeowners may feel more comfortable making the jump to a larger home or downsizing to improve their financial flexibility. Homeowners currently on the market will see the buyer pool getting bigger, meaning more showings, improved offers, and fewer days on the market. Specifically for the Blue Mountains region, the fall tends to pick up as skiers tired of seasonal rentals search for second homes. Capitalize on this uptick by getting on the market now. If you're not ready just yet, now's the time to reach out to your realtor anyways to get exterior pictures while the weather is still good and your home's curb appeal is at its best. In a nutshell, whether you're gearing up to buy or sell, each scenario is as unique as you are. Reach out for a no obligation chat and let's figure out the best move for you and your family. Click on the link below to set up a call. I'm always here to give you the real deal. Check out my other videos and I'll catch you next month with another market update. Happy house hunting!